In this lesson, we are going to list products like this. To get the source code of this lesson, go to the repository and in the commit section, find video 5 list products. You can compare your code with mine on this page. Here is the plan to list products. Let us start by creating product type. Go to Explorer and find the types folder inside SRC and right-click New File. Set the file name to product with capital P.ts and type export type product. By having export type, we can use the product type in other files. To define a type in TypeScript, we need to put equal sign and inside curly brackets, enter fields of the type. The first field is product name and the type of it is a string. I don't put semicolon because we set semicolon to false in the prettier setting of VS Code. So I just press enter to enter the next field. It's a slug of product. URL friendly name of product. Let's define other fields. They are image, category, and brand of type string, price, content stock of type number, description of type string, and rating and non-reviews of type number. We will add other fields in next lesson, but they are enough to build the list products in this lesson. Let's go and define sample products. Go to SRC, right-click, new file, and set file name to data.ts. The first one is exporting sample products. Export const sample products. What is the type of sample products? It's an array of product. Put colon and set it to product and put a square bracket pairs. Then put an equal sign and inside a square bracket define product items. For the first product, inside curly bracket, enter the name of product, like Nike Slim shirt. Before going for defining next fields, import products, press Ctrl I to get the recommendation and import it from types folder. Here we are getting another error. It says, this object is missing the following properties of type product, slug, image, category, and more. Let's add them. Here I entered other fields of product. Set the image to /images/p1.jpg. I send you this image later, and set other data based on the data type. Let's add the second product. It's Adidas Fit shirt. The third one, Lacoste free pants. And the last one is Nike Slim pants. The image address for the first one is P1, second one is P2, third product P3, and the last product is P4. Let's put these images inside the public folder, create a new folder, and set it to images. You can download 4 images from internet and set their name to P1 to P4.jpg, or you can go to the repository and inside public folder of frontend, you can find the images inside the images folder. I already downloaded this file. I just copy them and I put them in the images folder. Great. Let's go and render products. To render products, go to app.tsx and inside the main section, inside curly bracket, import sample products. Just type sample products, press tab to import them from data.ts. In React, to render list of items, we use map function. In the map function, we pass another function that accepts array item as parameter and return a JSX. For this JSX, I use li, so I need to wrap the parent to UL. Cut the closing one and put it after the expression. Save the file and go to the LI to render product information. Let us start by rendering product.name. In H2, in the curly bracket, type product.name. Let's check the result. Make sure that you have running npm run dev in the frontend folder. There we are. We have product names as bullet point here. Let's add product image. In the LI, right before the product name, put img tag, set source of it to product.image, alternative text to product.name, and close it. Save the code. Awesome. Here we have the image of product, name of product, and 4 other items. They are too big. Just put an CSS inside app.css, go to the end of this file, and for .product-image, set max width 400 pixel and set width to 100%. Copy the class name, go back to app.js and set class name of image to product image. Save the code. Yeah, the product is much better. Let's show the product price. And inside the paragraph, put curly brackets, type product.price. If I enter price 1, what do I get here? It says price 1 does not exist on type product. TypeScript based on the type of sample product, find the type of product, and if the field does not exist in the type of product, it raises an error for us. Get rid of 1, put a $sign before it, and save it. There we are. The first product, Nike Slim shirt, $120, and other products. Let's fix an issue in this code. The immediate element after map function should have a unique key. So we need to set key props for this li and set it to a unique value. In sample products, a slug is unique. So I set it to product.slug and save the code. To make sure that there is no error, we need to go to the developer tools of console. From this menu, click on more tools and select developer tools. In the console, we get this warning. By refreshing this page, there is no warning because of this change. Let's review what we did. We added product.ts to define a product model. In data.ts, we added 4 sample products. In app.tsx, we imported sample product and we rendered product on the screen. In app.css, we created a style to show the product image. And also we added 4 products to the project. I just commit video 5 list products, push it to the GitHub repository. So you can find the code on my GitHub repository in the comments section at this address. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.